Okay, so today in this video, I will walk you through the entire steps of starting a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. So you will find how to start a YouTube channel, how to set up your profile picture, channel banner, watermark, how to configure and customize your channel, how to add social profile links, how to enable monetization, how to enable intermediate and advanced features, how to SEO optimize your channel. And finally, you will also learn how to upload your first ever video and also configuring things like title, description, tags, end screen, thumbnails, and all that. And now if that sounds interesting, without wasting any further ado, let's jump straight in. So even before starting a new YouTube channel, the first and foremost decision that you'll have to make is which email address or Gmail address will you be using to create your new channel. So chances are you will already have a personal Gmail address. If you want to, you can actually go ahead and create a new YouTube channel from that Gmail address itself. But if you want that separation of concern and if you plan to treat your YouTube as a separate entity or maybe convert it as a business in the future, then what I would suggest you do is to go ahead and start a new Gmail account and you can go ahead and create the channel on that one. Now, once you have made that decision, let me quickly go ahead and jump onto the computer screen and walk you through the entire process of starting a new YouTube channel this year. So if you want to create a new Gmail account, all you gotta do is to search for Gmail sign up on Google, click the first link, and you can click on this option that says create account for my personal use, and you can go ahead and enter your first name, select some random date of birth, gender, next, and then you can go ahead and select your email address, next, and do phone number verification, enter your password, do phone number verification, and once that's done, you will have your Gmail account ready. Now, once you have your Gmail account ready, you can follow along and create your new account. And if you don't want to create a new account, you can just go ahead and use your existing Gmail address and use it to create a YouTube account as well. So the next thing that you gotta do is to click the first link in the description below and it will take you to this page right here. And if you're using your existing Gmail address, this is the kind of page that you will be taken to. And all you gotta do is to click on this create a channel button. Or if this is your new Gmail address, you will be directly taken to this pop-up right here. And here you got to enter the name and handle of your channel. So in this case, for the channel that I'm building, I want to give it a name like this, K Joseph. So this is my name and that's exactly what I want my channel name to be. So whatever be that channel name you have, you can go ahead and enter it in here. And next up, you got to select a handle. And now what exactly is this handle, you ask? Well, you can think of it like a username in Instagram. So that's exactly what this handle is. And you can go ahead and enter whatever handle that you want to use. And if a handle is available for you to use, you can find this green icon right here. If not, you can go ahead and try out a different one and you can select the perfect handle. For example, let's say the handle that I want to use is K Joseph. So I can go ahead and enter the handle in here. And as you can see, I can find this blue tick icon right here, which means the handle is available. So if you go ahead and try a handle that is not available, you will find this exclamation mark, meaning that handle is not available for you to register. So I'll go ahead and put the I, and this is the handle that I want to register. Okay. And next up, if you want to, you can also go ahead and upload a profile picture in here, but I would prefer you to do that in a later step. So all you gotta do is to click on this create channel option. Okay, let's wait. Alright, so believe it or not, your channel creation process is now complete. You have your brand new YouTube channel ready and you can go ahead and access it by visiting this handle icon right here. But creating a YouTube channel is just the tip of the iceberg, and customizing it and doing the verification, phone number verification, uploading the channel banner and doing all the necessary configurations is the main point. So to further customize your channel, all you gotta do is to click on this customize channel option right here, or you can click on this icon and click on this option that says YouTube Studio, and it will take you to the YouTube Studio page. And now what exactly is YouTube Studio, you ask? Well, you can think of it as the backend of your YouTube channel where you can go ahead and upload videos, change thumbnail, title, description, view the analytics, reply to comments, enable monetization, view earnings and all that kind of stuff. So I'll go ahead and click on this continue button right here. Okay, so click on close. And first up, I'll go ahead and upload a profile picture and also a channel banner. And to do the same, all you gotta do is to click on this option that says customization. And in the profile tab, you will find two options. The first is the banner image and the second is the picture. So banner image is the banner image or like the cover picture that you'll find on the channel, and the picture is your profile picture. So I've already created both of these. So I'll go ahead and click on the upload option. And for now, let's say I want to upload my picture as the profile picture. So I can go ahead and select that. So this right here is the picture that I want to upload. Click on open. Okay. Crop it a little bit like this. Click on continue. And this right here is what I want to use as, let's say, my channel profile picture. And next up, all you gotta do is to upload your banner image. And now if you don't know how to create a banner image, the best option would be to use Canva. So all you gotta do is to log into your Canva account. Once you're on Canva, you can just go ahead and search for some kind of channel banner template, and you can use it and edit it. And once done, you can click on the share button, download and use it. Now I've already created a simple channel banner in here and downloaded the same as well. And now I'll head back to my channel, click on the upload option and select the image that I downloaded. So here I have it. Click on open. Okay, click on done. Okay, so this right here is my channel banner. And next up, if you want to change your channel name, you can go ahead and do it in from here. And if you want to change your handle, you can do the same in here as well. And next up, you need to enter a channel description. So for example, if you visit a YouTube channel and if you click on this place right here, you can find a about section right here. So this is what exactly we call as the channel description, and that is what you'll have to enter in here. I have already prepared a description, so I'll go ahead and paste it in here. And it says, hi, I'm Astro. In this channel, I talk about entrepreneurship, business, freelancing, digital nomadism and money, and blah 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 stuff. And depending on what kind of description that you want to put, you can go ahead and enter everything in here. And once that's done, you can also go ahead and optionally select a language. For example, if you're starting a channel in English, you can go ahead and select English. Or let's say if you're starting a channel in Hindi, you can go ahead and put Hindi. And now as I further scroll down, you will find a section called as links. And now what exactly is this link section that you ask? Well, you can go ahead and put links to your other social media accounts or any other website for that matter in the link section right here. So if you go to any YouTube channel, and as you can see here, we have a bunch of links. So here I have a link to Instagram, X, my personal website, LinkedIn and all that. And you can just go ahead and add all of these links in here. For that, all you gotta do is to click on this add link option, enter the website name, and all you gotta do is to put your URL for the same. So instagram.com/astrokjoseph.io. And next up, you can go ahead and add another link. For now, I'll put it as X, https x.com/astrokjoseph. And if you have a personal website, you can go ahead and put that as well. For example, https astrokjoseph.com. That's it. And if you want to rearrange it, you can just click and drag and drop, and this way you can rearrange the same as well. You can put up to 5 or 6 links, I believe, so you can go ahead and do that in here. And next up is the very, very important part, and that is to adding your email address to your channel for people to contact you. So once your channel gains some momentum and you have a good number of subscribers and viewers, brands and companies will have to approach you for collaborations and brand deals. And now the way they find your contact information is that they can go to your channel's about section, and as they scroll down, they'll find an option that says channel details, and here they will find an option that is called as view email address. So when you click on this view email address and complete the captcha and click submit, your email address will be shown in here. So all you gotta do is to enter your email address in here so that anyone can contact you. Okay. And next up, you can also go ahead and add a video watermark if needed. So watermark is that small image that appears on the bottom left corner of the screen when the video is playing. So I'll go ahead and put my profile picture itself as the watermark. But if you want to, you can also go ahead and put any other image as watermark. For example, you could go ahead and put a subscribe now kind of button or something like that. And I'll put the entire video, and that's it. So that's pretty much all you gotta do in the profile tab. And to make all these changes live, all you gotta do is to click on this publish button right here. Okay, so all the changes are now made live. And now if you move over to this home tab, you will be able to enable this home tab and make or rearrange the layout of your home tab. For example, if I go to this channel right here, this right here is my home page. So here I have a for you section, here I have a short section, here I have a video section. So you can go ahead and individually arrange all these different layouts and content that you want to see when you visit your channel for the first time. So you can go ahead and customize that in here. And now that I don't have any videos on my channel, I will not update it now. But once you have some videos on your channel, you can go ahead and customize it in here. And now if you go ahead and visit your channel, you'll be able to find the channel banner that we uploaded, your profile picture, and also the channel description, the links, and also your contact email address. As easy as that. Okay. And now basic customization of your channel is now complete. Next up, let's just go ahead and enable intermediate features and advanced features so that you can go ahead and upload, let's say, longer videos longer than 15 minutes, upload custom thumbnails, add links to your description, do live streaming and all that. If you want to do all that, you'll have to complete intermediate and advanced features verification. So all you gotta do is to go to settings and then move to the channel option, then go to advanced settings or feature eligibility. And here you will find 3 options: standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. So I'll go ahead and click on this intermediate features. And now if I do a phone number verification, my intermediate features will be enabled. What can I do with intermediate features, you ask? Well, I can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, do live streaming, and also upload custom thumbnails. So I'll go ahead and click on verify phone number. and all you gotta do is to enter your phone number in here. First up, select the country, enter the phone number. So here I have entered my phone number and I can click on the next button. And next up, a verification code will be sent to the phone number and all you gotta do is to enter the same in here. So here I have entered the verification code and I can click on the submit button, and now my phone number verification should be completed. And now if I head back, you will see that my intermediate features is enabled. But if this is your first time, once you complete mobile number verification, only intermediate features will be enabled for you. Now that I have a couple more channels in this account, it has automatically enabled advanced features as well. But if that's not the case, then you will have to upload a valid ID or maybe build your channel history or do a video verifications to complete this advanced features right here. So in my case, it is already enabled. If not, you can just go ahead and upload a short video of yourself, upload it in here and complete the verification. Or you can also go ahead and upload, let's say, a government issued ID and complete the advanced features verification as well. Now all of these three things are now done. And if I head over to the basic info section, I can go ahead and select the country of residence. In this case, I'll go ahead and select it as India. And you can also go ahead and enter keywords related to your channel as well. In this case, I'll go ahead and put entrepreneurship, let's say business, AI, productivity. So whatever be that related keywords you have for your channel, you can go ahead and enter it in here. And yeah, pretty much everything else looks good. So make sure to, let's say, set it as no, set this channel as not made for kids. Okay, disable. Okay, pretty much everything else looks good. And now if you move over to this upload default section, you can go ahead and enter and configure a pre-filled title and description. So whatever be that content that you fill in here, every time you upload a video, these will be automatically filled for you, so you can save some time. So if you want to, you can enter a title or description. So it does not really make any sense to enter the title, but if you have some social profile links or some static content that you want to show in the description of every videos, you can go ahead and enter it in here. And now moving over to the advanced settings, pretty much everything's good. And now if you want to, let's say, go ahead and add a editor, a channel manager, or anyone as such, you can go ahead and invite those people in here. So you can go ahead and put their email address and select it as manager, editor, subtitle editor, viewer, whatever that is, and you can add them. So yeah, pretty much everything like customizing the channel is done. Okay, so you can click on the save button. So far you have started your YouTube channel, done the mobile number verification, enabled intermediate and advanced features, done the basic customization, and pretty much everything is done. And the next important step that is left to do is to obviously upload your first ever video. And now I'll switch to a different channel and I'll show you how you can upload a video, set up thumbnails, split testing, add tags, title, description, and all that. So let me quickly go ahead and switch to that channel. Alright, so this right here is one of my other channel, and to upload a new video, all you gotta do is to log into your YouTube Studio dashboard, and up to the top you will find an icon that says create. So all you gotta do is to click on this create button and click on the option that says upload videos. And now you can go ahead and drag and drop the video file to upload or select the file in here. So I'll go ahead and drag and drop the video in here. Okay. So this video is about 1 GB in size and it will take some time to upload, like 2 or 3 minutes. And this is where you can go ahead and set up all these things like title, description, tags, thumbnails, end cards, all that kind of stuff. First of all, we need to enter a title in here. So this video is about an extension called as Client that you could use in VS Code. So I've already prepared a title. So this right here is the title that I'm using. Client plus VS Code is equal to fully autonomous AI coding agent. So depending on whatever kind of video that you're uploading, you can go ahead and enter a customized title in here. And you can also enter a description in here as well. In this video, I will show you how to add advanced AI capabilities to VS Code using Client. Okay. So let's say this is the basic, the description that I want to give in the video. And maybe also let's say I want to put a link to the same. So I'll go ahead and copy the link and let's say Client. And now as you can see in the description section, you can see these social profile links are automatically pre-filled for me. So in the upload default section earlier, I showed you can actually go ahead and put a title or description. So I put these social profile links in the description tab right there. And whenever I upload a new video, these content will be automatically filled for me. So that is why you're seeing it already here. And next up, all you gotta do is to upload a thumbnail. And here you have 2 options, or actually 3 options. First of all, you can go ahead and upload a normal thumbnail image. So once you have designed a thumbnail, you can go ahead and upload it in here. Or you can let YouTube pick one for you, which is something that I won't suggest you to do. And the third option, and the most interesting one, is you can go ahead and click on this test and compare option and upload 3 different thumbnails. different types of thumbnail, and YouTube will go ahead and compare the performance of all three of these thumbnails and select the best one that is giving the most result and use it as the main one. Okay, and now I've already prepared 3 thumbnails, so I'll go ahead and drag and drop it in there. So this right here is my first thumbnail, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So as you can see, these 3 are 3 variations of thumbnail with some text, some differences here and there, and I can click on done. And now YouTube will go ahead and test the performance of these thumbnails and find the best one that is giving the most clicks or CTR and put it as or use it as the default one. And if you want to, you can actually go ahead and create a playlist and add it in here. Okay, everything else looks good. And if the video is a sponsored video or a paid promotion, you can go ahead and click on this option and a small paid promotion tag will appear on top of the video. Altered content, nothing. So if you use AI for, let's say, making the video, you can go ahead and select it as yes. Okay, and next important step is to add some tag. So tags are like keywords related to your video. In this case, it's about Klein and VS Code. So I'll go ahead and say best AI for coding, Klein boat, Klein VS Code, and let's say how to set up Klein with Cloud, all that. So related keywords, you can go ahead and enter the related keywords, and if you want to, you can select the language, recording date, and all that kind of stuff. But for now, I'll keep it as it is. And next step, once your channel is monetized, when you click on next, you'll be taken to this page right here where you need to enable monetization. So click on and done. Every time you upload a new video, YouTube will ask if you want to show ads on your video. So if you want to, you can click on, and if you want to, YouTube also gives you the option to manage ad slots. So you can go ahead and specify where exactly all these ads should appear throughout your video. So I will leave it as automatic ad slot where YouTube will intelligently analyze and put the ads, and I can click on next. And now it is the ad suitability questionnaire right here. So I can click on none of the above. So if you have any of these like inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking content, or anything in your video, you have to go ahead and tick that one. But for now, none of this applies to my video. So I can click on none of the above and click on this submit rating option. And also keep one thing in mind, once you submit the rating, you won't be allowed to change it. So that part is done, and I can click on next. And now if you want to tag products, you can go ahead and click on the add product option, select the products and add it as tag it in your video. And next up, you can go ahead and add a subscribe button or some related videos towards the end screen of your video. So I can, for now, I'll click on this import from video option and select this one right here. So as you can see, towards the last 10 or 15 seconds, I here have a subscribe button, the most recent upload, and also the best for viewer video. And I can click on save. And now if you want to, you can also go ahead and add cards. So when you add cards, when the video is being played, towards the top left corner of the screen, you will find an I button with a video recommendation. So if you click on that I button, they will be able to watch that video. So if you want to, you can go ahead and add this video as well. And I'll click on next, and everything looks good. So no copyright issues whatsoever. Click on next. And this is where you can go ahead and publish your video. So if you want to make your video immediately live, all you gotta do is to click on this public option and click on the publish option. Okay. Or let's say if you want to make the video unlisted, where only people with the link can access the video, you can put it as unlisted. Or if you want to schedule your video for a later date, you can go ahead and select the schedule option. Select the date, I'll take it as today, and select the time. For the time, I'll select as, let's say, 4:45. And now I can click on the schedule button. And when it's 4:45 p.m. today, YouTube will automatically go ahead and make this video public. And if you want to, you can also go ahead and set it as instant premiere as well. But for now, I'll click on schedule option. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I've uploaded a video, and now by the time it's 4:45, the video will be live on my channel. So that is how simple it is to upload a video to your YouTube channel. So this is how simple it is to start a new YouTube channel and also upload your first ever video. And now you can go ahead and upload videos, meet the monetization threshold, apply for monetization, enable monetization, and start making money from your YouTube channel. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If yes, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.